Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's your girl Eva Ego here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to the Ego fam. Go ahead and hit the subscription button so you don't end up being in that 60-something% of the people who watch my videos and they're not subscribed to my channel. Yeah, don't be in that percentage. So just go ahead on and hit the subscription button and also hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I upload a video. Oh my god, I sound horrible. You guys, I'm not feeling well. I've got like this post-nasal, apocalyptic, like mucus stuff. I don't know what's going on, but it's causing me to sound like this, so I'm sorry you guys. If you are an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for sticking around with the Ego fam. Now in today's tutorial, I wanted to do something a little different. So about a week or two ago, you guys saw this trend going around on YouTube where the title of the videos were, I try following, and then you insert a YouTuber or a beauty influencer or whoever, whichever content creator you follow, you try following their tutorial. Well, I follow quite a few. I follow quite a few amazing beauty influencers and content creators here on YouTube. I just could not, for the life of me, figure out who I wanted to follow. So I wanted to do something a little different. This was the idea that popped in my head. I don't know if it's been done already, but I haven't seen it on YouTube yet, so here we go. So in this tutorial, I'm going to try following a Pinterest tutorial. You know how, you get a makeup palette, you see this awesome palette coming out. It's all over social media, all over YouTube, and all of the content creators, the beauty influencers, they are, talking about the product, they're hyping it up and stuff like that. And then you go out and you buy the palette, and then you're looking at the palette like, okay, there's wonderful colors in here, but what looks am I going to be able to create? And you just don't know what color combinations to put together. So now you're on Google, you're on Pinterest, you're looking for different makeup looks and stuff like that to use your palette. Well, Pinterest has these, I'm gonna call them pictorials, where they show you the palette and then it's literally like color by number. So they show you what they put in the crease, what they put on the lid, what they put in the brow bone, things like that, what they highlight with. I'm going to attempt to follow one of them. So let's see if we can find one. So I'm gonna go ahead and look through my pins and see if I can find one and see if I actually have a palette to go with the actual tutorial. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went on ahead and did my brows. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys right here the pictorial that I'm going to follow from Pinterest. And of course, as you can see, they are using the Modern Renaissance palette. Now, this is my Modern Renaissance palette. I know it looks clean. I've rarely used it. I mean, I even have the brush still in there. So, yeah. We're going to go ahead and start out with the tutorial and see what's going on. So first things first, of course, we like to start out with our crease color. So the crease color, it looks like, which would be number 2. I'm starting to lose my voice. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna work tomorrow. She got to find something else for me to do. So we're gonna start out with the crease color, and the crease color is Realgar. I guess that's how you say it. I'm not exactly sure, but we're just gonna act like I pronounced it correctly. Okay. I'm gonna go in with my color, and we're gonna see if this is gonna work, you guys. So let's just go ahead and go into the crease with this. And buff it in, baby, buff it in. I'm really wondering if this is gonna work. It looks like they went ahead and took a love letter and put love letter all over the lid. And then they topped it off with Cypress Umber. And I'm gonna go in with love letter and apply that all over my lid as the tutorial says. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So now looking at the photo again, it looks like they went in with Cypress Umber. So I'm just going to take the exact same brush and I'm just going to dust Cypress Umber close to the lash line and see exactly how that turns out. It looks like they took burnt orange and they transitioned the crease just a little bit more. So I'm going to take the same crease brush and I'm just wiping it off clean, and I'm going in with burnt orange and I'm just going to buff that right over it. Okay, that's not bad. Looks like it's actually working. That's strange. It's very strange. Okay, now what they did was they took number 5 is, what is number 5? Vermeer. Number 5 is Vermeer. So I'm taking that same flat fluffy brush, and notice that I'm minimizing all of the brushes that I'm using. So I'm just wiping them clean, and I'm going to take Vermeer, which is a really pretty champagne shimmer, and we're going to dust Vermeer right under the brow bone. Who would have thunk? So far, it looks like it's actually turning out just like the pictorial, you guys. Even though it doesn't say what they used on the bottom lid, I might go ahead and use one of the crease colors, probably burnt orange on the bottom lid. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna do the rest of my face and add my lashes and my eyeliner, and we'll come back and we'll see if it actually looks like the tutorial. Let's see. I think so. Let's see. The further along in this video I get, the more I lose my voice. So we're just gonna keep on pushing until we get to the end. So now that my face is done, I'm going to take a round fluffy brush and go in with burnt orange. And it kind of looks like that's what she had on the bottom lid. I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't even think burnt orange is gonna even show up on my skin color. It showed up a little bit, but I think I'm gonna go back into Realgar. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it. I have to look it up and see, but I'm gonna go back in with that. So I'm just gonna go in with that crease color and dust that on the bottom lid. And then it appears as though she put Veneer, which was the brow highlight color. She went on ahead and popped that into the tear ducts, the inner corners. So that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I've already done my highlight. Hopefully you guys can see it. I use LeBron's. So let me go ahead and do my lips, and then we'll come back and talk about this pictorial on Pinterest, shall we? Okay guys, so that is it for the pictorial. Do I think that it looks like? Do I think that it looks like it? No. I mean, it's not exactly like down to the bone, like exactly like it, but I do think that it does look like, and this was like the easiest tutorial that I have ever done. So do the Pinterest pictorials work? I have to say that they do. I do know that it's not going to show you every single step that they do, especially if it's something like maybe a cut crease or something like that. Just like with this tutorial or this pictorial, the eyeshadow that was on the bottom lid, it didn't show that. So I think that with that one, she could have easily put like which number or which shadow or numbered which shadow she put on the bottom lid, but she didn't. So yeah, I really like this. I think it turned out pretty good. So these kind of tutorials, I don't know, I think I'm gonna try another one. If you guys want me to try another one, I can do that. But I think that these tutorials are really good for something quick and easy and on the go. So if you say, hey, you know what, I want a smoky eye look with my Urban Decay smoky palette, then a bunch of pictorials will probably pop up on Pinterest to show you different looks that you can achieve with the palette that you choose. So yeah, I really like this. I'm digging it. Your girl is cute. That is pretty much it for this pictorial with the I Tried following. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads. Give it a thumbs up, comment, share, like, do whatever, comment, whatever. Oh, my voice. I don't know how I'm gonna make it work. This is terrible. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of the I Tried following Pinterest pictorials, then comment below and let me know. I'll go ahead and list all of my social media right here. Check out the info button here for the last video that I put up on my channel, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye guys.